Friends, I am pleased to announce the launch of my new book on Amazon Kindle, Start Jumping Rope, a beginner's guide to jump rope basics. I have been doing jump rope for more than 20 years and it has been an integral part of my fitness routine. I wrote Start Jumping Rope to help those who want to incorporate jump rope into their fitness lifestyle. Jump rope is an excellent exercise workout tool. It burns fat, it burns calories, it uses multiple muscle groups at the same time. It's an excellent cardiovascular workout. Jump rope is portable, you can do it anywhere. Jump rope also helps you in enhancing brain health. Start jumping rope, start moving towards a fit lifestyle.